Good boy. Get them warm.
Did you like it?
You want? I think he wasn't quite finished with the last one yet. Yum, good boy.
You wouldn't think spines could be soft, but in their way they are. I'm sorry. I apologize for putting my hand over your head like that. What a gentle boy.
Yummy.
What a gentle boy you are.
He gets as many worms as he wants.
Would you like another?
There's another one. Does he have trouble finding it? Or are you just done?
I'm sorry, I was just moving it around. What is she?
Are you feeling special? I think he says he's done with it.
He just pushed my hand away with his nose. Did you see that?
Yes, I did. That was very cute.
Are you wanting something to be under?
He wants to snuggle.
Usually like to be under something. Hmm? Are you going to potty or me?
Probably.
What a good boy you are. Do you know you're a good boy?
What a handsome.
Do you know what a handsome boy you are, huh?
Good boy.
Did you sneeze a little bit?